Okay, quick instructional video for these laces, which are extremely not exactly self-explanatory. They come with this tiny set of instructions on the back, but until you've done this once, it's a little complicated. So the first thing you got to do is get rid of the laces. First thing you got to do is get rid of the laces in your old shoe, which I already did in the first shoe. I'm going to do it now on this other one, and mine are in such bad shape that I have to cut them. I can't even get them out. I don't know what happened to these. They just totally came apart. So I'm going to cut them, and then I'm going to relace them in the exact same pattern as these. And I'm going to do that in high speed, and then we will walk through the rest. Okay, now once you have your shoe laced up, you are going to put your foot in it. It's important to have your foot in it to do the sizing. Okay, so you're also going to have to tighten these laces. They're not like regular shoelaces. It takes a lot of maneuvering to get them tight. And you will want them at about the tightness you're going to wear them. Do not want to screw that part up. Then you will take whatever kind of retainer they gave you, whether it's circular or like this, squeeze it and get the ends through. Get that down about as close to flush as you can, tight as you can. And then you trim. You don't really need that much. Leave 2 to 3 inches probably. Trim it down. And then you get this end locking cap that they gave you with it. There are a couple different kinds, some that feed in through one side, some that feed in through the other. The most important thing I can tell you about this, do not accidentally lock it without the laces in there, because it is a pain to get open. You'll have to get a screwdriver and a pliers and pry on it about as hard as you can. It's really, really tight once it's locked in place. And then once it's in place, you're all set. Take the shoes off. Obviously, you got a little bit of play there to loosen them. You pull them out, but it's elastic, so they should stretch. And you want them tight like this. So I'm going to work out in them. We will see how this works as compared to regular laces. The company actually guarantees them for the life of the shoe. I'm not so sure if I believe that, but who cares? It just makes it easier at the gym to get them on and off for me, so that's why I thought I would share that with you. All right? Thank you. I hope that helped.